Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add more people to share notes, collaborate on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app. Next, in here, go to the folders that has the share note. So here I've got one share, and touch and hold on that note. Next, we go down and tap on Manage Share Notes. And in here, to add more people, tap on the Add button and then choose who you want to add. Now you can copy a link and share it to them. You can send them a link, so you can send a message to that person by simply adding the contact in here in the to address, and then you can send it. Or you can select suggested contacts at the top here. So that's up to you. You can choose message. You can share a link via Messenger, LinkedIn, and any other apps that you have installed on your device. And then tap on the send button. And then they are invited. So you can see here in messages, this person get invited, and they can open it up and they can tap on the link from the text message to access the note. And that's it. So that is how you can add more people to your share notes collaboration on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.